easier for me to understand how I'm supposed to teach you telekinesis. If you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, go back to the last video and then you can either comment yourself or read a little bit in the comments, because it is very, very interesting where you guys come from, and it opened up my heart. I love that so much that you guys opened up. It means so much to me. Anyways, it's just a quick thank you video, and I also got many comments, negative comments on my how to do electrokinesis video and with the AA battery. So I'm gonna talk about that in my next video. Thank you so much and have a good day.